trading and back again for another video. And in today's video we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and what's happening with the whole cryptocurrency market. So yeah, we're just going to quickly analyze Bitcoin real quick and we see why everyone's portfolio took a huge hit today. So yeah, if you look on the weekly, it's still in an uptrend. I would still say it's in an uptrend because as you can see, there's a higher low and there's a higher high. Higher low and a higher high, and then there's a higher low. So in order for me to be convinced that this is in a downtrend is once it breaks this level. So if we get a line, let me just put it in fact, if we get if we get a trend line, let me just put it here, and let me just say that if it breaks below this, then I would consider this as a downtrend because it has broke the previous lower high. But because it hasn't, as you can see, it's the last sell candle before the huge impulse upwards. So therefore I think it's just like a low discount. That, as you can see, if we go over to coin market cap, you can see everyone's taking a huge hit today. As you can see, Bitcoin down almost 17% basically. Ethereum 15%, Binance coin 14%, as you can see Solana as well. So it's a huge, I think it could be a huge discount. You could probably 10 20x your coin. So yeah, it could be a huge move. And everyone's portfolio looking like took a huge hit today. Oh my, everything is down 20%. Oh my god, legit, it's just crazy. Everyone's portfolios take a hit. So what I'm seeing, so if you look, let me just quickly annotate this chart. So as you can see, this is the all-time high we've had. You can just chart that out there. And then if you look on the daily, we see what's happening on the daily. As you can see, it has had a reaction. Let me just quickly move that there. So it has had a huge reaction. I think it could have filled in the imbalances. As you can see, there's a big imbalance in between there. There's a little bit imbalance in between there that's been filled out. So I think the market knows what it's doing. So I think it's a really good, let's say, it could be a little Christmas discount the market is giving us, but we'll just have to wait for further confirmation. If you look on the 4 hour as well, it's a huge wick to the boards of the downside. As you can see, nothing major, all it is bang. I mean, if to be honest, I'm finna be buying more coins. Like, let's look at that 1 hour as well. You can see it's just a bit of a madness. Like, I know we all trying to be millionaires in this, but it should look crazy. So yeah, as you can see, it invalidated this OB. I think it's respecting the weekly. So we just gotta wait and see what happens on the weekly. To me, I still think this is in an uptrend, in my opinion. But we gotta see how it reacts with the next coming weeks, and hopefully 2022 will be lit. We can just look at other coins as well. Should we see? Let's see exchange. Let's see what's top gainers and losers. Let's see what's popping. And nothing major in that. Let's be real. And if we look at other cryptos as well, we look at Matic. Oh shit, that was going mad last night. Oh, my entry's a bit late though, isn't it? So you can see it's a bit of a mad one still. But I guess, yeah, that's it. And I think if it doesn't respect this one, it will 100% respect this support zone. So let's be real. We just mark this out. This is all due to Forex. I'm just doing this the same way I analyze my Forex trading pairs. So yeah, let's just be real. So no, in fact, we could find a daily OB. Let's be real. We could short it down. Yeah, we could put on this one. Oh yeah, see, look how clean that is. See this little, see that little candle there? The last sell before you buy it, yeah? And then the next candle engulfed it. And look, it made that huge impulse which broke the higher high. Therefore, we can see that this is where the buyers are at. This is where this is a huge support zone. Resistance is gone. So this is a support. So yeah, that's what we like to see. And to be honest, I think this is a best opportunity to be buying coins, and don't ever let anything happen. So yeah, the market overall is down about very badly quite today, about 20% or almost near enough every coin. So yeah, hopefully I'm not a financial advisor. Let me tell you that before we go, and I hope you lot like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.